All guests can now immerse themselves in a dynamic blend of discovery, play and connect with nature. Busch Gardens Tampa Bay today announces the grand opening of Wild Oasis, North America's most immersive kid-friendly adventure realm, designed to entertain, educate and inspire. So if you want to check out this brand new land at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, stick around because Busch Gardens has sent us all you need to know before you go and a sneak peek. But before we dive in, let's roll them titles. Now open to all guests, explorers will be immersed in the sound and sights of the rainforest and engage in activities that touch on its many elements, including an all-new drop tower ride with engaging special effects, a high-energy climbing canopy, a new multi-species animal habitat, interactive water play areas, a fun scavenger hunt, and the brand new Toma at a rank cafe, a vibrant quick-serve restaurant offering a Latin American inspired menu. President of Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, Brian Bassiger, said, "We are thrilled to officially open Wild Oasis to all guests. This vibrant rainforest-inspired realm is filled with incredible animal habitats, immersive attractions and hands-on play areas designed to entertain, educate and inspire. It's an unforgettable adventure for the whole family." At Wild Oasis, guests will be immersed in countless different experiences. Step into the Habitat Hideaway, an all-new multi-species exhibit where the rainforest comes to life with exciting new animals such as capybaras, giant anteaters, squirrel monkeys and tropical birds. Next we have taken adventure to new heights at Treetop Drop, a 35-foot drop tower featuring an immersive multimedia experience with action-packed jungle scenes and a cenote-themed environment, a natural sinkhole characteristic of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Next we have Get Challenged with 4 levels of climbing structures at the Canopy Climb, over 200 feet of horizontal climbing trails and vertical climbs reaching up to 45 feet high. Then if you get too hot after all that climbing and exploring, you can cool off at Enchanted Falls, a fun interactive splash pad and play area featuring fountains and spray towers, perfect for younger adventurers looking for fun. Wow, this looks so much fun and definitely a great addition to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. And never mind the kids, I can't wait to go exploring myself, counting down the days to my next visit. Now obviously you can play all summer long with the Busch Gardens annual pass, but for a limited time, guests who buy one fun card get one free, which is an awesome deal. You can enjoy Busch Gardens and Adventure Island Water Park for the rest of 2025 for the price of a single day admission. All Fun Card Pass holders get access to seasonal events that are included with park admission. And if you're thinking of becoming a Busch Gardens annual pass member, it's the best way to enjoy an entire year of family fun, thrilling attractions and exciting seasonal events, categorized in easy to use tiers. Options provide guests with unlimited year-round admission and unbeatable benefits including free parking, in-park discounts, monthly rewards and payments starting as low as $15 per month. To purchase tickets and learn more about annual passes, the benefits, monthly awards and stay in the know about new events and special deals, head over to buschgardens.com. Enjoying the video so far? We hope so. If you're finding it helpful or just having fun watching, don't forget to smash subscribe and give us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, as it really does help the channel grow and keeps the good vibes going. Love Orlando, so do we. That's why we created GottaGoOrlando.com, your one-stop guide to everything happening in Orlando, Florida. From the latest theme park news to seasonal events, insider guides and so much more, we've got you covered. Planning your trip, we've teamed up with Florida Ticks for unbeatable deals on theme park tickets, and with Booking.com North America for flights, hotels, car rentals and theme park and attraction tickets all in one place. Need wheels while you're there? Check out our partner RentCars, where you can easily compare prices and find a perfect ride for your Orlando adventure. All the links are waiting for you in a description down below, so take a peek, plan your trip and get out there and go and make some memories. We would like to thank Busch Gardens for sending us over this information, and we look forward to meeting up with the team shortly. We know this project was a little delayed, but are you excited to explore the brand new Wild Oasis? What's your thoughts and opinions? Let us know and comment down below, as we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please don't forget to smash subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell and share with your friends and family, as it really helps the channel grow. Now get out there and go and make some memories. And until next time, we hope you have a fantastic day. Bye YouTube!